Now on your Octopus Energy account, if your balance has been building up from regular monthly payments or you've been getting referrals, you can issue the credit to be refunded back to your bank account. So once you log in, click on can I refund some credit. Now that I had a £50 referral credit, I'll request that and that should hit the bank within 2 weeks. The more referrals that sign up under you, the more you earn. You can share your link with your family and friends or your followers. You can create a website with your link and run advertisements that will bring in more traffic and get you more signups. That's one money making method you guys can implement. And if you're not with Octopus yet, then join up using my link below. Peace.